Irashamase. Welcome. Welcome back to Neffy Cat. We're so glad that you can join us today. Somebody is enjoying his hoodie and his toy. Yes, he's getting into that Halloween season. In today's video, we're going to talk about a very special kitty whose name is Lucky. Well, Lucky is a beautiful black kitty with yellow eyes. He lives with his mom, Lucrezia Ciita, in Eastbourne, England. Well, Lucky is very special. Just like another kitty that we covered recently, Lucky can predict seizures. She can tell when her mom is about to have a seizure. Well, when she knows that she's going to, she'll let her know. She'll meow and she'll paw, and she'll lead her to the bee-bye. She'll stay with her the whole time. She'll comfort her, and she doesn't leave her side until her mom's seizure is over. Well, she's known to keep her eyes on her mom throughout the day. And Lucrezia, who is somebody like the rest of us who watch this channel pretty much, loves kitties. Yes, even when they have a cute kitty hoodie on and seem to have a catitude. Well, Lucky was originally a very thin, neglected kitten when Lucrezia accepted and adopted her. One day, Lucrezia was working on her computer. Lucky started to paw and paw at her leg, and she realized that something was going on when the kitty led her to bed, and Lucrezia just got there in time and started to have a seizure right then and there. A year later, it happened again, and the kitty did the same thing. Yes, Lucky was pawing her leg and meowing, and then led her to the bee-bye. Well, she's learned to pay attention to her kitty because her kitty knows. And it's really interesting because Lucky actually lives with a quote normal cat named Gypsy, who's a white kitty. Yes, but Lucky is the one that is considered special because she can tell when seizures are going to happen, and she makes sure to let her mom know. She watches every day just to make sure. And I think that is awesome, and I think that Lucky is a hero cat. Yes, and at least a therapy cat. Well, thank you all so much for allowing me to share this with you all today. Thank you for watching this video. And thank you, Neffy, for being so patient with this Halloween outfit. If you like the contents of our videos, don't forget to take those paws and paw that like button. You can paw the subscription button, and you can paw the notification bell. Paw all when you paw that notification bell, and you'll be notified so that you can see all of Neffy Cat's videos. Well, thank you all so very much. It's a joy to share this with you, and we look forward to seeing you with all of these cute little wings. Such cute little wings in the next video.